Dumpster rental service in Brooklyn, New York. Regarding reliable dumpster rental service in Brooklyn, New York, D&A Contracting is a trusted provider. Whether tackling a home renovation, a major cleanout, or managing a construction project, having the right dumpster can make the process easier and more efficient. D&A Contracting offers a range of dumpster sizes to suit various needs, ensuring you have the appropriate solution for your waste management. With a commitment to affordability and flexibility, we ensure you get a dumpster that meets your project's requirements without breaking the bank. Our team works with you to determine the best size and type of dumpster for your specific job, from small residential projects to larger commercial undertakings. We pride ourselves on providing timely delivery and pickup, making the process seamless from start to finish. We also emphasize eco-friendly waste disposal practices for those seeking convenience, ensuring that as much material as possible is recycled, reducing the environmental impact. If you need a dependable dumpster rental service in Brooklyn, New York, contact D&A Contracting at 973-809-3846 today to discuss your project and get a free quote. Let us help you manage your waste efficiently and responsibly.